Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to connect to MySQL database from Visual Studio Code and run SQL queries using SQL Tools extension. So for you to be able to proceed, the first thing that you need to do is install Visual Studio Code first onto your device. So as you can see, we have currently launched already the Visual Studio Code. And if you do also onto your end, the next step that we need to do is head onto the extensions. So here onto the left side, you should be able to find an extension, and that is also its shortcut key. So you could simply use that one or simply click onto this icon. Right after here onto the search bar, we're going to go ahead and search for SQL tools. So you should be able to search in there and you should be able to find an SQL tools or the first one in here. So just simply click onto that one, and then right after you'll just need to go ahead and install this. So this will connect users to many of the most commonly used database. So as you can see, it is still installing, and once it is already done, the other extension that you need to go ahead and install is the SQL tool. So you'll just need to go ahead and install this one. So this is actually a driver that you could use. So just search in here SQL tools, and you should be able to see this SQL tools, which is the same creator by the SQL tools in here. Let's just click onto that, and then let's also install this one. So if you have noticed here onto the left side, since we have installed this SQL tools, we have recently added another icon in here, which is this one. So we could see that one already in here. So we have our driver and our SQL tool extension ready. We'll just have to click onto this icon to go ahead and connect. So to connect this, we're just going to add in a new connection for that one. So if you click onto add new connection, so we have a connection assistant in here, and you could just go ahead and select your database driver. There are different drivers that are available in here. We have MariaDB, MySQL, and TIDB. And if you want to go ahead and get more drivers, just click in here. But if you want to use MySQL, just click onto that one. Right after, just add in your connection name, connection group, connect using your server address, port, your database in here, your username, and also the password mode. So you could also add in your MySQL driver specific option, authentication protocol, SSL, connection timeout, and show records default. So you could also test the connection first, and you could save the connection right after it is done. So we're just going to fill this one out quickly. Now, since we've filled this one out, let's just save the connection right after, and you should be able to find in something like this. So this one has been added to your system, to your settings, and you could go ahead and click on to connect now to proceed. So you should be able to see something like this right after you go ahead and try to connect it. Just allow this, put in your password, and that is just basically it on how you connect your MySQL database from your Visual Studio Code and run SQL queries. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.